We're here at Liverpool Street Station, joined by a London-based Zimbabwean transport operator, colloquially known in Zimbabwe as a Windy. So we're joined here by Mr. Fastmore Ncube. Fastmore, tell us, you've been here in the UK for some time. What?
Well, in the UK, we don't have the similar problems in the transport sector as you would have perhaps in maybe say Harare. Because here the trains, they use electricity, even the buses, then you never hear a cash shortage. There's no shortage in fuel. You don't wake up one morning as a ranking and your combi is not working because, Fastmore could not secure petrol for his combi. We don't have none of that here. Plus, it's very simple. We don't have Amatongman, Lokusen, BTGS. I don't know, man. So it's very lucrative to be here. It's very lucrative.
But you can find the next train to Stanford Airport.
Oh, so what you want to do, yeah, is you want to take a left, go straight down here, take a left, go down those stairs, and platform 5. Should be about 10 minutes.
Yeah. What's all this?
It's bits and bobs, mate. Bits and bobs. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
That's just, people know where to go for information. Yeah.